Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's Linda again. If you are new here, you're also welcome. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the red button and keep your sister going for more interesting videos ahead. Today, we're gonna be talking about flaxseed gel, how it is made and how it is used on hair as a pre-poo and as a detangler. I'm gonna show you how I prepare it and use it, and we see the outcome together as you are seeing on the screen right now. This is how I make my flaxseed gel. I add some water to the pot and add a half cup of flaxseed into the pot. I stir it and cover it to boil. After 10 minutes, I check on it and the water turned into gel. I stir it again and leave it to boil more and produce a thicker gel. After a few minutes, the whole gel turned into thick gel and I turned off the fire and let it sit. When the gel must have gotten cold, the seed separates from the gel. The seed sits on the bottom of the pot while the gel stays on top. Now you separate the gel from the seed. Then the excess gel that mixed so much with the seeds, you squeeze them out with a sauce or a sackcloth, getting enough gel for your pre-poo. That's exactly what I did here. The one that I got from the separation and the one that I squeezed out. Here I mixed the two together to get a big quantity of gel for my pre-poo. Yeah, this is the total quantity of the gel I got. You can also recook the remaining in the pot to get extra gel from it. I commence the application of the flaxseed gel on my hair, working on a part of hair at a time, applying the amounts of flaxseed gel generously on the hair and massaging the hair very well, using my fingertips to massage and scratch the scalp. In the same process, I detangled, doing finger detangling. When you finger detangle the hair, it gives you the opportunity to notice the knots, and you kindly and gently separate the knots without breaking your hair in the process. But when you comb through, the comb cannot have any feelings on the knots. Therefore, combing through may lead to breakage of the hair. So I took my time, though it takes time, but you cool down, take your time to finger detangle your hair to avoid breakage. After I twist it up and hold it in a bun. The same process went through other parts of the hair, applying the gel, massaging the scalp with the fingertips, scratching it, yes, allowing blood to flow to the scalp, enabling growth stimulation. In the process, you also finger detangle and let the gel mix well with all the strands of the hair. Separate all the knots kindly and massage your hair very well. The whole process is repeated until the whole hair is done. Flaxseed acts on both hair and scalp due to the presence of nourishing nutrients like vitamin B, magnesium, manganese, selenium, and copper. These nutrients boost hair growth and help them grow stronger and longer. Flax seeds are rich in vitamin E, which is great for both skin and hair. The nutrient promotes the health of the scalp by reducing free radical damage. It helps improve circulation in the head, thus promoting hair growth and slowing down hair breakage. It may also help prevent premature graying. of hair. Flax seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to be great for the skin and hair, as they keep them nourished and prevent hair drying, especially during winters. Some studies have shown that omega-3 may help prevent hair loss and thinning of hair, as well as dry scalp and even dandruff. It reduces brittleness of hair. Flaxseed may prevent hair breakage by improving elasticity of the hair strands. Both consumption and topical application of flaxseed may help improve the quality of the hair substantially. After applying a substantial amount of the flaxseed throughout all my hair, I covered the hair with a plastic wrap and used a blow dryer to heat it up. This is to enhance the follicles of the hair to enlarge and absorb the flaxseed gel so that it can deliver all the goodies, vitamins that are stored in it into the hair. So I did it for several minutes to allow the reaction to take place. Flax seeds can be used to promote hair growth and improve the overall quality of the hair and scalp in a number of ways. After heating the hair with the blow dryer, I wrapped it up with a towel, allowing the heat to return and more reactions to take place. This helps in conditioning the hair, giving it more time to absorb all the nutrients. I had this for 1 hour. Then when I removed it, I saw from the effects of the hair that the elasticity is all back, that the hair really absorbed the nutrients and the nutrients really worked on the hair. All the natural coils were realized on its own. Seeing the elasticity of the hair, it's worth trying. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Please hit the subscribe button for more interesting videos. Please share, like, and comment. Bye.